I didn't mean to upset you. I shouldn't have taken you down there.
No, I'm glad you did. Steel.
Well, what's wrong with this picture? Jenna, join me for dinner. You start at one end, I'll start at the other. And when we get to the middle, well, you tell me.
All right, Steel.
No, Balto. Gee, Steel. I have to admit your offer is very tempting.
It is.
But these days I prefer my meat cooked.
Come on, let's go! What's all the noise? I think it's over here.
Jenna, come on.
Looks like Balto's found his way into your meat locker.
It's a good thing Steele was here. Good boy, Steele. You've earned these. Besides, I can't do anything with them after that wild animals touched them.
Go on, get out of here, you thief! Come on, Jenna, let's go home.